A couple other air horns that I have, they're actually used with the maintenance away department of the railroad companies. They usually have them on CO2 cans. But today we're going to blow them with 40 pounds of pressure. See what they sound like. The MW crews use them when a train is coming from another direction to warn their crew. They have a real high-pitched sound. So we'll see how they sound with 40 pounds of pressure. And then of course I'll also blow the other two air horns, the Nathan's. Okay. Now I'm ready and I'm going to blow the air horns. We're about, roughly about 50 yards from the house. Maybe a little further. I'm out here in the backfield now housing development. So, we'll see what happens. Okay, that was my air horns. Now this little air horn, I want to make a wide angle here. There's the Formal C, that's a 1950 Formal C. This little air horn, I want to hold it up, is right here. See, it fits right in the palm of your hand. It usually goes on top of a CO2 can. probably a R12 refrigerator type stuff. And the thing that says on the back of it's a Falcon, F-A-L-C-O-N, Falcon. Made in the United States, in Mountainside, New Jersey. Sort of, it has an emblem on the back too. It looks like a little falcon, little bird. But anyhow, that's that right there. That was making that high-pitched sounding.